Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about systematic circuit analysis techniques. There are two general approaches to solving circuits using systematic techniques. The systematic techniques are the node voltage method based on the KCL or Kirchhoff's current law and the mesh current method based on the KVL or Kirchhoff's voltage law. These techniques are used to derive the minimum number of linearly independent equations necessary to find the solution. As always, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.